Okay, one more lock from my box of tricks from my travels. This one, this Baton, I bought this in, I believe, Tanzania, somewhere in East Africa. The body of the lock measures, looks like 60 or close to 58 perhaps. Not a bad looking lock. Machine work looks good. It's engraved with the trade name on both sides. It is a fully functional lock. You can see we got, looks like 5 pins here. There's the bitting. I get the camera to focus. There we go. So we got some radical bitting in there. It's, as I said, it's new. I brought them home and I threw them in the box and haven't used them for anything. So it hasn't been exposed to the weather. So I'm almost positive in these African locks there are rarely security pins. So let's just see what we can do. Get the tension wrench in there a little better. There we go. And let's just go down the line and see what's up. I can tell already there are no security pins. I can just feel them given pretty readily. So they're just straight pins. And there's a lot of grit in there. I can find that pin. Where are you, devil? I mean, I felt that the plug turned just a hair, and that pin feels like it wants to go. Maybe not. Let's see what else we got there. That's the one. There we go. I thought it was binding. It just didn't. The pin head didn't seem to be properly shaped round. It seemed like to be angled a little bit. But there we go. Not very hard. Not a very good investment. But then for these Baton locks, I think I probably only paid about $6 or $7. Quite good size, intimidating looking, but quality-wise, not so much. Anyway, thanks for your time. Hope I didn't waste it. As always, be safe, and for God's sake, stay legal.